Christmas. Hello and welcome back. Hi and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Mateme and this channel is dedicated to hair, makeup and vlogs. And if that's your thing, please do join the Reisons family by clicking the subscribe button down below. To my returning Reisons, my supporters, thank you so much for clicking on the video again. I really appreciate you guys. Like I keep saying, you guys are motivation because you really are. So today we are going to the escape room. I've heard of this before, and I actually just looked it up because I'm trying to figure out my attire, what would be the appropriate outfit for this activity, I would say. So I'm going to escape room with my two cousins and my cousin's special friend. And yeah, so I'm going to take you guys along with me just so you guys can see the I'm very reluctant to vlog these type of experiences because I live in the moment quite a lot, so I forget a lot to pull up my phone and vlog, but I really hope I am able to capture this one for you guys. And yeah, let's get ready. My cousin is actually, Mukhadi's on the way, coming in from Centurion. She is going to let me know when she's closer so I can go to the gate to meet her. Let's get ready to go to the escape room. Mwah. Flip side. Hey family, so my cousin just says she's off ramping and I'm about to go meet her at the gate. And yeah, this I plan to put it on my head. I'll fix that in the car. Hold on, let me take my vlogging tripod. Oh, my room is such a mess. Don't look, ignore. If you saw that, forget it. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the car.
Bosa put in your stuff.
Yeah.
Can't you come and pick them up at Fediji?
Huh?
Can't you come back?
Yeah, we can.
Because I'm just worried because I feel the thing starts at 4. So we need to be there before 4 basically. And there's 20 minutes.
At the roundabout, take the second exit.
Hi, Busa, say hi.
What it do? What it do?
What it does? Hello, busy. So,
guys.
how you feeling?
I'm good.
What's happening? Where are we going?
Right now we are going to Rosebank.
Yeah.
We're going bowling.
Yes. Unfortunately, we couldn't film in there. It's not allowed. I think also on their part, you know, so you don't figure out beforehand, going there. They don't film the entire escape room thing, so that's why I couldn't bring it. I couldn't bring you guys with me. But yeah, now we are on our way to Rosebank to do some bowling, and yeah, I'll catch you guys
on the flip side.
on the flip side. Holler. Merry Christmas. Hello and welcome back. Today we have a vlog. It's a Christmas vlog. I don't know how far I'll take the filming, because like I say, I always like to live in the moment, so please excuse me if this vlog ends up being a montage of sorts. So yay, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Sorry,
I'm not feeling as festive as you are, but
so we're about to head home to Limpopo now. Check us before. Sorry, yeah, but yeah, we're about to head home. It's Christmas Day, and I'll see you on the flip side. Mwah.
When did you guys turn?
hey, bro, we don't know.
My goodness. Lifedije.
Is lunch ready? If we drop it.
Say again.
See you in 30 minutes. Hey, make it 40 minutes because that is barely more because of the gravel. When we're on some gravel road, we don't know where we are. But yeah, see you.
Hectic.
Sharp.
Damn. God damn. Eh? Yeah.
Now we have to
Oh yeah.
But it wouldn't feel as much as of an experience as it is now. And it's just like
No, speedy is that's somewhere more killing thing that. Oh yeah, straight. Yeah, I think so too. Because the other beat's not too far from Lewacho.
sorry.
Hey. Wena, ka lepakeng wena.
I saw the business dumping side.
Ew.
Okay,